Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have an 07 Honda Accord in the shop with a 2.4 liter. The customer's complaint is smelling a little bit of burning of antifreeze. Nothing really seen on the ground, and the level seems to stay the same. So we're going to do a quick visual before we do any pressurizing. So if you look at the top of the engine, I'm going to be looking at all coolant areas, hoses, looking for any old rusty corrosion like antifreeze buildup. It turns into like a white powder. Now in this case, this car has blue antifreeze in it. It has the original Honda fluid, which is Asian fluid, and it is blue. So I'm looking for any kind of crusties that are left behind with a blue tint to it. I don't see anything up here. You can check your bypass hoses, check your heater valve. Those are notorious for having cracks in them because they're made out of plastic. I don't see anything there. No problems. No problems on the side of the head gasket, around the base of it. So I'm going to lift it up and look from down below and see if I see anything. Once I raised the vehicle, I took a visual from underneath and I could see right behind the thermostat housing is the water housing, and it's antifreeze dripping right out of that. That connects to the back of the timing chain where the water pump is mounted. So now we know where the coolant is coming out.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.